Alright, so we have the Setzer family here. We bought a toy hauler this time around instead of a bunkhouse because we wanted a higher carrying capacity. And since, to be completely honest, we cleaned up the room for our new Beddies for me to take some photos, I thought now would be a good time to show off how we converted the garage for 2 kids, for a hangout area, and space for guests, because my in-laws stay with us on a good regular basis. And just to kind of give a glimpse of what the garage looks like. Alright, so starting from the kitchen, looking back, we have our Lego and toy bin. That gets a lot of use out of our son and out of his friends. So starting out, they have a half bathroom back here. It's a little cozy. It's actually not too bad. It's a little more room than we had in our last one. I did add some cabinets above. Let's see if I can show this. Above the doorway. And we store extra toilet paper, extra paper towels, those sort of things. So, first things first, my spectacular father-in-law built us this custom bunk ladder. Nice and sturdy. My wife and I both go up it. It's really nice to be able to have something. You're not kind of the flimsy RV ladder. The steps are flat when it's extended, when it's leaned up against, where a lot of them are actually tilted with the ladder. So let me take a step up there. Okay, so here's the kids area. This is Logan's area. We have the Beddies. I think this is called the New York style. I'll have to figure it out. And then we have my daughter's area. And this is another Beddies. And we like these because they're zippered on both sides, and the kids can make their beds nice and neatly. It used to be a fight. This is not meant to be an ad for the Beddies, but they are really kind of awesome. The kids like them. My daughter wishes they were a little bit heavier on her. With the air conditioner immediately above them, it gets a little chilly up here at times. So this is their sleeping area. We're working on some kind of center storage options. As you can see, we have the bins right now, and it works, but it's not quite what we want up here, but we'll figure it out. All right. Carefully coming down the ladder while filming. This cabinet here, which I will not open, is my wife's crafting vinyl business. Her space. It's her traveling creations. The kids share a dresser. The top 3 drawers, so the double drawer, the full one, and the full one, are all clothing, and then the bottom 2 are games and a little bit of toy storage. And then this is our Ikea couch, which is really kind of nice because it pulls out to a queen size bed. It's a little firm, my in-laws have said, but it's better than the air mattress they were on before. And it opens up real nicely. It kind of just flops out, and then all the comforters and the blankets and the pillows stay underneath of it. And then kind of looking back, same Lego cabinet. That's been worth its weight in gold. The kids can take the trays of Legos outside to the mat when it's nice out. They can play back here on the rug. My son keeps his car rug back here that he'll open up on the floor periodically. And then our laundry station. We're still trying to figure out a better option for this. Maybe put a cabinet in around it. Problem is, it gets a little tight getting between this cabinet and into the bathroom, and between the, kind of getting through everything. It is a 12-foot garage. It's a Spartan 1245. But it's, with the doors and the area, it gets a little cozy. But we love our combo washer and dryer. I've written about that before. And then we just have a little bit of, a couple of storage things right there. And they have their own TV. Now, one thing I do like is above this area is a loft. But this one actually comes with these sliding doors that open to give you access to this side of the storage component. And we actually have stored like extra schoolwork and whatnot up there for them. Hopefully I'm not opening a can of worms here. Yep, it looks pretty good. So that part's pretty nice. We call it our attic. We have a basement with our storage hatch, and downstairs and upstairs. I feel like we have a real house. And then, kind of last but not least, is the rug. The rug is this super plush rug from Ikea. It's really nice. Loses Legos all the time. But really gives the room kind of a homely feel. When the back doors are open, this is a nice bright area. It does get a little dark underneath the beds here, and we're working on a lighting solution for that. We haven't quite figured out what we want to do yet. I'm not a big fan of cords hanging everywhere, and the only outlets are very silly designed are up against the loft area. Yeah, this cabinet is another Ikea cabinet. Houses our printer on top. When we have to print, copy, or scan, we pull it down. But these are just some Ikea cabinets that are mounted to the wall. They stay like that for travel. And then as you can see, we have the baby safety pieces for keeping them closed. We do plan on putting another set back so we can actually latch this thing in this position during, while we're set up at camp. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. But here it is. And I'll end with a shot of this pillow because I love it so much. It's one of my wife's creations. It says we haven't been everywhere, but it's on our list. And she actually has these markers for coloring in the pillow, showing where we've been, or dots to the cities or whatever. And then we have that one as well. All right, thanks for joining, and that's about it.